Hello everyone, I'm Jameelah and welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes. It is Thai collard green wraps with Thai flavored pumpkin seed pate and sesame ginger dipping sauce. So I'm going to be showing you this recipe in stages. First we're going to make the pate, then how to wrap it, and then I'm going to show you how I make the dipping sauce. So for the pate, let's get started with the ingredients that I have here. In this bowl right here is 2 cups of pumpkin seeds that have been soaked overnight, 1/2 bunch of cilantro roughly chopped. This right here are bits of yellow and red bell peppers that I had chopped into sticks that I'm going to use when I wrap the collard wraps, and these are just the extra bits that were left over. I don't like to waste, so I'm going to put these in the pate. And this is 4 large green onions with the stems, 1/2 of a lime juiced, 3 cloves of garlic minced, and I also have a red Thai pepper to give it a little spice. And also for the seasonings, I am using this reduced sodium tamari, Thai kitchen green curry paste, and coriander. Alright, to get started with the pate, and I am using my food processor for this. I'm going to dump in, just move this up, dump in the pumpkin seeds. And the bits of bell pepper. And what I'm going to do, since the bowl is a little full, I'm just going to grind this down a little bit and then I'll add the other ingredients. Okay. Should be able to get a little bit more in there now. So next I'm going to add in the green onions, the Thai pepper and the garlic, the lime juice. I'm going to leave the cilantro for a little bit later, once I get this ground down into a pate type consistency. Okay, it may take a while for all of this to be ground down into the pate, so just remember to keep scraping down the sides. Continue. Okay, now at this point it is almost down to the consistency that I want, and just let me show you what I have going so far. Now I am going to add in the spices and the cilantro. So just put the cilantro in here. Now I'm only going to put in half of the cilantro, or maybe about half. I'm going to blend in or process in the cilantro I have in the bowl, and then once I have the pate down to the consistency that I want, I'm going to pulse in the rest of the cilantro so I have little bits of cilantro in there. So now we're going to put in the tamari. About maybe 1/4 of a cup or so, but you really have to do it to taste. So, and a little bit of the Thai Kitchen green curry paste, and this gives it that Thai flavor. This is about a tablespoon or so. And then I'm going to add in coriander. All right. And now that I have all of my spices in there, I'm going to go ahead and continue to let the food processor run until the pate is to the consistency that I want, and then I'm going to taste and of course adjust the seasonings accordingly. Okay, time to check our progress here. This smells wonderful. All right, just to give you a little look at what we have going on right now. And now before I put the cilantro in, I want to taste this to check my seasonings. This has really good flavor. Just a little bit more tamari, and then I believe it'll be perfect. I'd add a little bit more spice too, so I'm going to add another Thai pepper, which I need to get out of my freezer. So I will be right back. Okay, I'm back with the Thai pepper. Actually, I brought back 2 just in case. You can never tell the spiciness of peppers, because sometimes you think because of the deep color that they'll be spicy, and they're not. So a lot of times it's just hit and miss. But I'm going to put in this large pepper, or larger pepper, in the pate. Just going to break it up in here. A little bit more of the tamari. And then I'm going to go ahead and let this blend all in together, and then I'll deal with the cilantro. Okay. I think I have that pretty well incorporated, and we're just going to go ahead and do another taste. It's perfect this time. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pulse in the cilantro. Alright, let's go ahead and check this again. And I do believe this is how I would like it. And just to give you a look, you have chunks of the cilantro leaves in here, and that's just what I wanted. So for the final taste, before I go on to the next section and prepare the wraps, let's go ahead and give this a taste. Yeah, this is good. It's perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and set this aside, and I will be back to show you how to prepare the cobbler leaves and to roll the wraps. Okay, I am back now to roll the collard wraps, and in front of me I have my collard green leaves that have been destemmed, and also I shaved down, let me just see that right here, I shaved down this big thick vein right there of the stem just to make it a little bit easier to roll them. And they're sitting in hot water to make them a little bit more pliable, because collard leaves can be a little stiff to work with when you roll them. So just letting them sit in hot water for a few minutes will soften them up for you and also make it a little bit easier to eat as well. So I have the pate, shaved carrots, cucumber sticks, bell pepper sticks, yellow or red bell pepper. So to get started, just going to grab, don't need these, water is that hot. Just going to grab a collard leaf and pat it dry on the paper towel. And we're going to fill it with the pate, some carrots, cucumbers, and the bell pepper sticks. Okay, and the way I like to roll these is to fold in the ends and grab it from the bottom and come up and kind of roll that, and keep coming in at the sides with the leaf if I need to, and then just continue rolling like that. Now if they don't stay together, you can put a toothpick in them, but they should stay. So just to show you that again. And you can also start from the thick side as well, which I'll do on this one. Pate, carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers. And so just grab it like this. And if it's a little long, you can either break them off to make it fit, or you could just leave it, just however you want to do it. So let's bring it up, lower, fold in again like a burrito, and roll it. And then what you want to do is when you put it in your bowl or tray or platter, you want to put it face down or have this part facing down, that way it'll stay rolled for you. Okay, and I'll do one more. Now sometimes I do make the mistake of trying to put too much in them, and if that happens, you know, you can just start over, or, you know, just put a toothpick in it if it doesn't stay wrapped. Okay, now I am going to keep going with these, and then I will be back to show you the dipping sauce. Alright, I am now back to show you how I make the dipping sauce for the Thai collard wraps. I have here some sesame seed oil. This is about a little less than 1/3 of a cup. Sesame seed oil, half a large zucchini. Again, I use zucchinis to cut down on the fat, add volume, and creaminess and texture. And I have about 1/4 cup or so of tamari, plum vinegar mixed with rice wine vinegar, a large chunk of ginger for the spice, 2 cloves of garlic, and here is pure maple syrup for sweetness. I just poured some in here because I'm going to use that to taste. So we're just going to dump everything into a blender here. Sesame oil, the zucchini, now I'm not going to put all of this tamari in here, maybe about half for right now. Then I may put the rest in because when I taste it, or after I taste it. Vinegar. Okay, a little bit of the maple syrup to start. The ginger and the cloves. Now the reason why this ginger is not peeled, it's organic, so I just washed it and I didn't peel it. I'll just put that all in here and give it a whirl. Okay. Let's go ahead and give this a little taste here. That is good. It just needs a little bit more sweetness. So I am going to pour the rest of this maple syrup into the blender, and we're going to blend that up. And take another taste. That is perfect. That's good. So I will be back with the finished product.